Right now, somewhere on Earth, engineers are trying to build a machine that has never existed before. A robot that can walk like us, think like us, learn like us, and eventually work beside us. For decades, human-like robots were only something we saw in movies. Machines that could talk, move, and interact with humans felt like science fiction. But today, that future is getting closer. Companies around the world are investing billions of dollars into creating humanoid robots that could transform the way we live and work. And the craziest part, the first generation of these robots may not arrive 100 years from now. They could become part of our everyday lives within our lifetime. But there is one massive question standing in the way. Can humans actually create a machine that moves, thinks, and interacts like another human? Because whoever wins this race may not just build a robot. They may create one of the most important technologies in human history. This is the race to build human-like robots. The idea of creating artificial life is not new. For thousands of years, humans have imagined machines that could imitate us. Ancient stories described artificial beings created by humans, but turning that idea into reality required something humanity did not have for most of history: technology. The first major breakthrough came when computers became powerful enough to process information. Then came advances in artificial intelligence, cameras, sensors, and robotics. Suddenly, engineers had the tools needed to attempt something that once seemed impossible: creating a machine that could exist in the human world. The earliest robots were designed mainly for factories. They were strong, they were accurate, and they could perform repetitive tasks faster than humans. But they had one major limitation: they were built for controlled environments. A factory robot could repeatedly move a piece of metal from one location to another. But could it walk upstairs, open a door, pick up a fragile object, or help a person in a real-world environment? That was the challenge. The world around us was designed for humans. Our buildings, tools, vehicles, and workplaces are all built around the human body. 2 arms, 2 legs, a human level of movement. So engineers began asking a new question. What if the best robot for our world was one that looked like us? At first, creating a robot with a human shape might seem unnecessary. Why not simply build machines designed for specific tasks? The answer is because humans already created the perfect environment for ourselves. A humanoid robot could theoretically walk into the same places humans can. It could use the same tools, operate the same equipment, and perform tasks without requiring massive changes to our world. Imagine robots working in dangerous environments where humans could be injured, robots exploring disaster zones, robots assisting doctors and nurses, robots helping elderly people with everyday tasks, robots performing repetitive jobs that humans don't want to do. The possibilities are enormous. But creating a human-like robot is one of the hardest engineering challenges ever attempted. The human body is incredibly complicated. We have hundreds of muscles working together. Our brains constantly calculate balance, movement, and reactions without us even thinking about it. Walking seems simple, but for a robot, every single step requires complex calculations. The robot must understand where its body is, where its feet are positioned, how much force to apply, and how to avoid falling. A human takes thousands of steps without thinking. A robot has to calculate every movement. Building a human-like robot requires several major technologies working together. The first challenge is intelligence. Modern artificial intelligence has advanced rapidly. AI systems can now understand language, recognize objects, analyze information, and make decisions. But putting AI inside a physical body creates an entirely new challenge. A robot doesn't just need to answer questions, it needs to interact with the real world. It needs to understand objects, navigate environments, and decide how to physically respond. The second challenge is vision. Humans instantly understand what they see. We know the difference between a cup and a phone. We understand distance. We know how objects can be picked up and moved. Robots need cameras, sensors, and AI systems to develop similar abilities. The third challenge is movement. This may be the most difficult problem. A human can walk across uneven ground, climb stairs, run, and maintain balance automatically. Robots need advanced motors, sensors, and control systems to copy these movements. Engineers are essentially trying to recreate create one of the most complex machines ever created, the human body. Today, multiple companies are competing to create the first truly useful humanoid robot. One of the biggest names in this race is Tesla. In 2021, Tesla introduced its humanoid robot project called Optimus. Tesla's goal is to create a general-purpose robot capable of performing useful tasks in factories and eventually other environments. The company believes humanoid robots could become as common as cars in the future. Another major competitor is Boston Dynamics. Boston Dynamics became famous for creating some of the world's most advanced robots. Their humanoid robot Atlas has demonstrated impressive abilities, including walking, jumping, balancing, and performing complex movements. For years, Boston Dynamics has focused on solving one of robotics' biggest problems. How do you make machines move naturally? Another company competing in this space is Figure AI. Figure AI is focused specifically on developing humanoid robots designed to work alongside humans. Their goal is to create robots capable of handling jobs that are dangerous, repetitive, or physically demanding. There is also Agility Robotics, the creator of Digit, a humanoid robot designed for real-world work environments. Around the world, companies and researchers are competing to solve the same challenge, creating a robot that can function in the human world. Even with all this progress, creating human-like robots is still incredibly difficult. The first major problem is energy. Humans can move for hours because our bodies convert food into energy. Robots rely on batteries. A powerful robot needs enough energy to operate while still being lightweight and efficient. The second challenge is cost. Advanced robots require expensive materials, sensors, motors, and computers. For humanoid robots to become common, companies need to make them affordable. A robot that costs hundreds of thousands of dollars cannot become an everyday tool. The third challenge is trust. How will people react when robots become part of daily life? Will people feel comfortable living and working around machines that look like humans? Will businesses use robots to replace human workers? And how will society change when intelligent machines become more common? These questions are just as important as the technology itself. So what happens next? The future of humanoid robots probably will not happen overnight. They will likely enter our world slowly. The first places we see them may be factories, warehouses, hospitals, and dangerous work environments. Places where robots can solve real problems. Over time, as technology improves, robots may become part of everyday life. Imagine waking up in the future. Your home assistant is not just a voice coming from a speaker. It is a machine that can physically help you. A robot that can clean your home, organize your schedule, assist with daily tasks, or help care for people who need support. The idea sounds like science fiction, but many technologies that seemed impossible decades ago are now normal parts of life. The smartphone, self-driving systems, artificial intelligence. The question is no longer whether humans can create advanced machines. The question is how far we will take them. For thousands of years, humans dreamed of creating artificial beings. Now, for the first time in history, that dream is becoming a real engineering challenge. The race to build human-like robots is not just about creating machines. It is about creating a new relationship between humans and technology. Because the first truly successful humanoid robot will not just change the future of robotics, it could change the future of humanity itself. And one day, the machines standing beside us may not just be tools we created. They may become one of the most important inventions we have ever made.